Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. Which ministry launched the Krishi Nivesh portal? The answer is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Here are some interesting facts about this portal. In a bid to boost the expired, expired investment in agriculture, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare launched the Krishi Nivesh portal. The portal acts as one-stop platform for farmers, entrepreneurs, and industries. It provides easy access to central and state government schemes in agriculture sector. Currently, it gives information on 17 key schemes like Agriculture Infrastructure Fund and Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. The next is Nalsar Over Nalsarovar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? The answer is Gujarat. Here are some interesting facts about uh, this sanctuary, wildlife sanctuary. A rare Arctic seabird, the Siberian gull, was recently spotted at Nalsarovar Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat. Its first sighting in India since 2013 in Kerala. Nalsarovar Bird Sanctuary is located in Gujarat. It was declared a sanctuary in 1969 and became a Ramsar site in 2012 under the Ramsar Conservation. It hosts 48 algae and 72 following plants species supporting rich bird life and biodiversity. The next is Bayraktar. Bayraktar TB2 is an unnamed arterial vehicle, that is UAV, developed by which country? The answer is Turkey. Here are some interesting facts about this aerial vehicle. Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 drones suffered a reputational setback after Pakistan's Turkish origin drones failed during Operation Sindoor. Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made medium altitude long endurance, that is male practical unma- uh, unmanned aerial vehicle, that is UAV. It is designed for intelligence, surveillance, recognition, ISR, and precision strike missions. It's Turkey's first armed UAV developed domestically, showcasing its defense manufacturing capabilities. The next is the Debunk River that was recently seen in news flows through which states? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Here are some interesting facts about this river. The Indian Air Force recently rescued 14 people, including 13 from Assam, who were stranded on a riverine Iceland in Arunachal Pradesh due to Dibang River flooding. The Dibang River is a major tributary of the Brahmaputra River in northeast India. It flows through Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. The river originates near Kia Pass on the Indo-China border in the upper Dibang Valley district. The river's major tributaries include Dri, Mathun, Talon, Imi, Ahi, Amra, and Ava. The last but not least, Naksha program is implemented under which government initiative? The answer is Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. Here are some interesting facts about this program. The development of land resources, that is DOLR, Ministry of Rural Development will conduct the second phase of capacity building under the Naksha program starting 2nd June 2025. The National Geographical Knowledge Based Land Survey of Urban Habitations. Naksha program is a city survey initiative under the Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. It is led by the Department of Land Resources, that is DOLR, under the Ministry of Rural Development. The program perhaps detailed maps of towns and cities to improve land records. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.